Let's look at over Indianapolis. We have some of those high level clouds and we have some of that sunshine being able to still filter in. So we are going to be able to still warm up pretty nicely today. Let's look at our temperatures. Currently it is 70 degrees. We have winds out of the south about 19 miles per hour. That is really allowing for that warmer air to be moving on in. We also have gusts already pushing 30 miles per hour. So it is definitely going to be a windy Friday, but it's definitely also going to be unseasonably warm. Live Doppler 13, pretty quiet across central Indiana. We've been tracking a few of those isolated showers. That's now continuing to move for northern Indiana. So we have a lot of sunshine for the most part. Otherwise, just some of that cloud cover moving in ahead of our next storm system. That's bringing a lot of rain to Kansas City, stretching all the way through northern Illinois as well. So that's going to move a little bit closer to us, but out ahead of that system, we are also going to be windy today. Check out our wind gust over the next 8 hours. We're going to see them range about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Once we head into this evening, though, they're going to start to increase, getting close to 40 miles per hour between 7 and 8 o'clock this evening. So the rest of the day, the leaves are definitely going to be falling. Our average high for this time of year, 58 degrees, and we have already surpassed that, and we are going to see those daytime highs in the middle 70s today. That's just 4 degrees away from the daily record high of 78 set back in 2003. Let's look at future track 13 and plan out when this rain is going to be moving in. I know there's a lot of things that is going to be happening tomorrow. So let's look at future track 13 at 7 o'clock in the morning. It starts to move into the western half of the state. That includes the Lafayette to Bloomington. It really starts to move in between 8 and 9 o'clock into central Indiana. It becomes a little bit more widespread around lunchtime. At times, a few rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out. Thunderstorm activity should be limited, though. It's just really going to be the strong winds as this cold front moves on through. Around 3 o'clock, we're still seeing the rain, maybe 1 or 2 thunderstorms, but by 5, 6 o'clock, most of that is going to be pushing off east and clearing out of central Indiana. So by the evening, 9 o'clock, we are really going to be seeing the activity wrapping up. So because of that cold front and the strong winds we're expecting, we have a wind advisory going into effect from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow. Wind gusts are going to be strong all day long, around 45 miles per hour, 8 o'clock in the morning. And as that cold front gets a little bit closer around 2 o'clock, it could even be close to 50 miles per hour. Once that passes, the wind will start to die down just a little bit. But if you're heading out to the Monumental Marathon, it is definitely going to be rainy and windy. So that's going to add that additional challenge for you. Temperatures, though, are going to be in the low 60s. Heading out to the IU game, the first part of the game, kickoff at 3:30. We are expecting that rain, but rain will be moving off to the east as well. A high of 63 tomorrow, 68 on Sunday, and clearing out with sunshine.